So this is Replit. I'm going to show you how to create some small application, let's say receipt software. So we are now in the interface of Replit. As you can see here, it asks you what to do, and here we can define our application type. So let's say receipt app for private use in modern colors, blue and bright blue. So now what's doing, it's using a GPT LLM in the backend, working with Claude, and it asks now to start the container or the development environment. And now, as you can see here, it's thinking. On the left side you have like your projects, so now it analyzed everything, and it also creates us an icon here like receipt manager. So here we can see like the tech stack. It's a modern application, that's absolutely fine. Here we can see the initial steps. Now we're at the first step from 4, and here we can also add some more functionality. So that's not what we want here, but we just approve it, and now it's starting to develop the application. So on the right side we see now our visual preview of the application. So it's now starting, it's writing the HTML files, so we can see a preview here. So now we already have a logo here on the left side, and as well it's developing a menu point on the right side. So already we have some search receipt input field here, and on the right side we see add receipt. So I think it's slowly finishing the task here. Good. On the right side here we have also different tabs, so we can maximize it. We can also use a new tab to open that in a browser, which I recommend, so you don't have like to handle with bugs or issues within the iframe, which is a bit like buggy. So let's check that here below. Okay, so we have like an edit button and a trash icon. Also we see here the amount of time it takes, and also we have a thumbnail. So what I'm going to show you here is on the left side, when you open this here, you can open the folder here. So just open it and you see the whole source code then. Here on the left side we have our agent. Here we see the preview. This is our main preview. Here we can use also like databases, and here we can deploy our application. So as you can see, when we open something, it will open a new tab here. I really strongly recommend to use like autoscale. It's like right now the cheapest one. So what we see here is all the files it created. So this is in TypeScript here. We have also the JSON file, we have also the server components here and the client files. But for now you don't need to take care about that. So we will scroll down here. We see most of the things are like done. So I'm just waiting to finish the application. So as you can see, our application is here, and we can add the receipt here. We have some images, let's say like garlic with oil and bread. Okay, do this and this. So we will scroll down. Okay, and now we save this receipt. Okay. So for now, you see we have like the application here, we have like our main dishes, we have like our dessert here, and we can edit it here, or we also can trash it. Let's trash it here. We have all the receipts here. Let's test the search for pizza. So I'm going to check it in a new tab because this works like more smoothly. Let's try it here. So, okay, it's not working. And now we can check here the issue or just tell search isn't working. Let's say that search isn't working. So I will move this here on the right side. So it's now just thinking, and it will check the error console here and then just fix the issues. So while this is fixing the issue, I'm checking the application here. Okay, so I can open it. It shows me the cook time, preparation time, the servings. So yeah, maybe on top, as you can see here, we need some more space. So it's not very well done on responsive screens. So let's change to the tab here. So he needs to implement the search functionality here, as you can see on the left bottom. And I'm just waiting until this is like done. So what we can do also is here we have a new tab. So, I mean, here we have like all tools, and here we have like different services. We have some integrations here. We can add like authentication, object storage, and also add some external services like OpenAI, Gemini, Google Sheets, or whatever you want. You can also program your own custom MCP server as well. So I think now it's like editing some things on the home page here on the TypeScript, yeah. So we can also see the code here, and it did some changes. As you can see here, the green things is like the added screens or like added lines, which it did. So it did like these 4 changes here, and then also like on the second line here, some changes. Also, it needs to change the category receipt, and I think this will be done in some seconds. So our application should be now done, and it improved here the left navigation bar. I will open it right here, and I'm going to test the search functionality right here. So pizza, yeah, works flawless. What about here? Okay. So the receipt here is not very well. I mean the screen. So what I'm going to do is like I take a screenshot here, and I'm going to tell it needs to add some space around the header. Or just take a screenshot. Just take a screenshot and fix the top and bottom margin or padding. So optimize it for responsive. So what's it doing now is it takes a screenshot itself from the web application, and it's going to see the issue without sending him the screenshot, and it will fix that right now. Also on GPT, we did a small thumbnail for our YouTube application, and we have this here right now. So we just asked it create a YouTube thumbnail for Replit.com. So that's the one we will use for our application. We ask here, make sure the logo of Replit Replit is properly placed. Simplify the graphics. So that's it. So what it did, it took like a screenshot. We can check that here. It tried to do that. Okay, let's see if it's working. So, okay, I'm going to, well, I have a small screen here, so I can just zoom like that, add, yeah, okay, still missing, okay. So now it fixed the things which we asked for, like the header. So we try this right now, and we have like all the information here right now. So we can, so it added like a proper scroll bar. That's fine. Okay, let's close it. Let's add this to our favorite receipts. We click here on favorite. So it looks like this is not working, the favorites. So we asked it to fix it. The favorites aren't working. So the changes should now appear right now. Let's try it. We open it here, we reload it. Now we select homemade pizza and the Greek salad as a favorite item. And let's go to the favorites. So yeah, I still need to do some fixes here. So the changes are right now working. We have here the favorites. We will add the creamy garlic parmesan to the favorites. We click on the favorites and it appears here right now. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, let me know, and just recommend my channel, and yeah, also give me some up likes. Arrivederci and goodbye.